Good morning everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjyot and today it's our another session on PPB MCQ series in which we are discussing certain MCQs related to your principles and practices of banking subject. Really sorry for the delay for today's session. So let's start today's session. Before starting the session, those candidates who have not subscribed yet the Officers Adda 24/7 channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, and if you have not downloaded the Adda 24/7 application, then do download the application so that all the upcoming batches and details related to batches will be given to you. Okay, now let's start with the first question. The question is talking about that which of the following regulation pair does not match each other. So first question is which of the following regulation pair does not match each other. So we have a pair of certain regulatory bodies, or we can say regulations pair. You have to tell that which of the following is not right. First is regulation of insurance market is done by Adda. Second is saying regulation of capital market will be done by SEBI. Regulation of money market is done by RBI, and regulation of forex market is done by SEBI. So which of the following is not correct? Good morning to all of you. Which of the following is not correct? Let me know. So we have certain regulatory bodies for all the financial systems, all the financial sectors, for insurance, capital market, money market, forex market, pension market, or we can say apart from that we have a debt market also. So every particular market, investment market, or all type of financial systems have a certain regulatory body who regulates them and finds what are the rules, regulations they have to follow. So maximum are going with D option. So right answer is D, because regulation of forex market is not done by SEBI, it is the work of Reserve Bank of India. So RBI regulates the forex market as RBI regulates the money market also. Okay, so insurance sector regulated by Adda, capital market or we can say investment market is regulated by SEBI, then money market regulated by RBI, and forex market is also regulated by RBI. Now the second question is, the forfeiture is an intermediary between. The forfeiture is an intermediary between exporters bank and importer, importers bank and exporter, importer and exporter, and last one is saying exporter and his bank, and importer and his bank. So first of all, what is forfeiture, or we can say what is forfeiting? It is a part of alternate source of finance. It is an alternate source of finance. Okay, that is known as your forfeiture. Okay, so simply we have discussed alternate source of finance also. What is alternate source of finance? When we are not able to fulfill the need of the money supply or need of the liquidity in the market or need of the money for the persons, then we have the alternate source of finance, in which apart from commercial bank, other institution participates and fulfill the need of money of the persons. Okay, so simply forfeiture is the one of the particular, forfeiting is the one of the particular alternate source of finance. So which of the following will be this? Now forfeiture is the third party between the seller and buyer. So between seller and buyer, the transaction of money, the exchange of money will be done by forfeiture, and it is between importer and exporter because we are talking about forfeiting. So in forfeiting, exporter, importer participated, among them, between them, there is a bank or financial institution which is known as forfeiture. It is a third party between this particular transaction, and it will be between the importer and exporter. So the right answer will be your C. Okay, next. Which of the following is not appropriate about operational risk? So we know banks are exposed to multiple types of risks. Whenever we talk about the banking system, banks are exposed to multiple type of risk, and one of the risk is operational risk. So which of the following option does not appropriate or is not appropriate regarding operational risk? So when we talk about types of risk which can expose to the bank, we have multiple types of risk. We have credit risk, market risk, operational risk, business risk, legal risk is there. Apart from that, we have default risk, which is also known as credit. Apart from them, we have a strategic risk, systemic risk. So all these are the types of risks which are exposed to the bank because of the functions of bank. So what are the different functions we have? Whatever different functions we are performing performing in a bank, all that function can increase or can have or can expose to a particular type of risk that is known as your operational risk. Okay, so now when we talk about operational risk, it is third is B, C and B. B and C, two options are coming. See, when we talk about operational risk can happen due to the people and organization. That is true. Because of the employee of the organization, operational risk can happen. Okay. Second is saying that operational risk is often associated with external market events. External market events risk will be known as your market risk. When bank has invested its money and that particular investment fall or downs, or the bank is not able to earn the income on that particular investment, then it will be associated with the external market risk, that is known as market risk. So right answer will be B. Third is saying operational risk can happen due to failed internal process. That is true. Because of the employees of the organization, or we can say because of the failure of the system, because of any kind of failure of the system or software, that kind of risk is known as operational risk. Operational risk can happen due to failed system. That is also true. So first, third and fourth, these are the part of operational risk, but not the second one. Second one is representing the market risk, because it is happening or it is exposed because of the external market events, not the internal one. Okay, next. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding NEFT? NEFT. So we know what is NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. This is the full form of NEFT. Now you have to tell which of the following statement is wrong. First is saying system will be available on all days of year, including holidays. It means you can, whenever you want, you can transfer money with the help of NEFT. Second is saying there will be 23 half-hourly batches every day. As we know, NEFT transactions happen in half-hour batches. So 23 batches will be there. Third is saying crediting beneficiary's account or returning the transaction within 2 hours of settlement of the respective batch to originating bank will continue. Like for example, you have transferred the money, so the money will be transferred within the duration of 2 hours. That is saying that, or if the particular transaction not happened within 2 hours, then the money will be returned to the person's account who has transferred the money. Next is settlement of first batch will commence after 12:30 hours and the, or we can say 30 hours, and the last batch will end at 12 hours. Okay, so what does it means? If we say that the fourth option is correct, it means the NEFT works 24 hours. If we say that fourth option is correct, it means NEFT works 24 hours. And if NEFT works for 24 hours, then 23 half-hourly batches will be not right. Because now NEFT is 24/7. It means you can transfer money and on any day, at any time, your money will be transferred with the help of NEFT. So it do not have 23 half-hourly batches, it had 48 half-hourly batches. How many half-hourly batches will be there? 48 half-hourly batches will be there. Okay, clear? So the right answer will be our B option, that is second. Next, which of the following function relate to SEBI? So SEBI is the Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is the regulatory body of investment market, or we can say capital market, crediting agencies, joint ventures, or we can say joint capitalist. We can say apart from that, financial institutional investors, financial portfolio investor, everything comes under the SEBI. So SEBI is the regulatory body of investment market, and which of the following function is related to the SEBI? First is saying issue and print currency note. Second is saying monetary policy formation. Third is saying supervision and regulation of foreign institutional investors. And fourth is saying supervision and regulations of Nbfc. So which of the following is related to the SEBI's function? A, B, C or D? Fifth is C. Maximum are saying C. Okay. So right answer is C, that supervision and regulation of foreign institutional investor will be done by SEBI. Issue and print of currency note it's a function of Reserve Bank of India, and with the help of minimum reserve system, RBI prints currency notes. What is MRS stand for? Minimum reserve system. It introduced in the year 1957. Till present, we are using this method to print currency notes in India. Okay, so right answer will be your C. When it comes to the monetary policy formation, again it is the function of Reserve Bank of India. RBI formulates the monetary policy to control price stability. Apart from that, to maintain the economic growth of the country. Next is supervision and regulation of NBFC, non-banking financial institution. Supervision will be done by Reserve Bank of India again. So right answer will be your C option. Okay, now let me know out of 5 how many questions answer you have given right. And one big information for all of you is this, that today, from today till 31st, we are having 80% sale on all the products of JAIIB, CAIIB, bank promotion exam, etc. So you will find 80% discount on all the products, or you can upgrade your product also. Let's say you have only JAIIB, you want to upgrade to Mahapack, you can do that. Okay, so here it is, that is the pay day sale, and you have to use a code that is Y496. If you use this code, you will find 80% discount on the web portal. If you purchase the same product by using Y496 code, you will get 81% discount from the Adda 24/7 application. Okay, so this sale is started from yesterday already, and this sale will be limited period of time. So if you are thinking to enroll in a particular batch, now that's the right time, because you will get 81% discount on this particular product, on all the products which are available on Adda 24/7 application. Okay. Now the English medium batch already started from 26th of July itself, in which principles and practices of banking classes has already started, and we have taken the introduction class of the subject. From today onwards, we are starting the syllabus from Indian financial system. That is the first chapter of our module A. Okay, so if you were thinking of enrolling, then you can enroll, because we are starting the session from today. So right now we have 80% discount on all the products which are available on Adda 24/7 application, whether it is JAIIB, CAIIB, or your bank promotion exam. Okay, so thank you all for joining the session, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, so thank you all and stay safe.